I welcome you back to my channel. This is Davis Technologies, and today I want to show us on how I was able to build this or how you can set up this SMM Panel Pro website. This is a website with about 4-in-1 features, so which I'll be showing you all the services that we offer on this website. First of all, we offer these followers on our website where you can buy followers. Number two, we offer social media account logs. Maybe you want to buy Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram, want to buy VPN, want to buy Amazon account, you want to buy Reddit, Discord account. So just name them. I'll be showing you everything one after the other. And in case you want to buy some other tools, I will show you. Number three service that is added, features that's added on this website is VTU. Unable to set up VTU. People that want to buy airtime, data, exam a lot of things is on it. Another features that was added is task to reward. Task to reward. So the admin will set up a task, and any user that complete those tasks are going to get a point. So it's now left to the user to be able to convert those points either to buy airtime or data from the website, or they get it in cash. Maybe they want the money to be credited into their accounts, depending on the terms and conditions of the admin. So let me show you what this website is all about, and if it's something that interests you, you can actually contact us, and we're going to set this kind of website up for you. And now let's log in, and let's get to the admin dashboard so that I can show you. Now you can see the dashboard is mostly like a fintech website. This is the cron job, and it's going to show you the numbers of orders, people that have registered. You can decide to either credit, as you can see here. You can decide to either credit any user or debit any user. Now from the admin dashboard, we have manage user here. Let's click on manage user. So you can see the number of users here. It's going to show you the balance of the users that is here. If the user is active, no, the amount the person has spent, how many orders the person has carried out on this website. Now, number two here is you can also add user manually. Another thing here is manage orders. As you can see that you can see all the orders that every users have carried out. You can also search by. You can check those are in progress, those are pending. And sometimes you might be having maybe your API provider is kind of slow. You can decide to check which one has been giving issues. You can decide to either turn it off or turn it on. So the next one is services. So this is where we have all the services of our social media followers, as you can see, that we have for Facebook, for Twitter, Instagram. So we have all the categories, as you can see, for Facebook, Instagram, SEO, and web. Maybe somebody wants to buy for SEO, we can actually, search that and filter. So it depends on how. Let me click on active, click on filter. That means our provider is not offering this. So for Spotify, we have Spotify. We have active one for Spotify. You can see that we have all the Spotify accounts people can buy from here. We have Spotify accounts as low as 824 naira. So we have one for 1,000. It depends on what you are setting, and you can also set your profit margin by yourself. Let's say you want to set for 10%, 20%. Now let's check our API provider. This is our API provider here. As you can see, it is connected and active. So you can synchronize all the services that your API provider is providing. If your API provider is providing about 150 services, if there are some of the services that are not active, it's not going to synchronize them. It will only synchronize their active services. As you can see, we set our own profit margin to 40%, which you can also edit from here. So you can decide to change your own to maybe any amount of your choice, and you get it now. So you can also change the currency to any currency you want to be selling your service for, maybe in USD or in Naira. So this is our API provider, and I'll be teaching us on how I was able to do this. So that is about that. this is for the social media followers. The second service here, so this one is for deposit. So for the deposit here, we have about, I think we have 3 or 4 means of payment gateway. This one is Flutterwave, Paystack, bank transfer, and we have Monify too. So it is not activated, so I can activate that and it's going to show here. So that is about that. This one is for withdrawal. Maybe anyone want to withdraw the fund in their wallet. Most especially those that are reseller on your website. Maybe they have carried out some services and they have enough money in their account and they want to resell. They can kindly request for a withdrawal. So once they select their bank, let's say FCMB, they put their account number, their full name, maybe they want to write withdrawal notes. I confirm and they can make a withdrawal. It is showing insufficient balance because I don't have enough money to withdraw. Now let's go to the VTU dashboard. As you can see, I developed this website in a way that this file in a way that none of the services will actually clash with anything. So all of them are working separately. So as you can see there, it's going to show you the VTU provider, the services. I added 2. So I will show you how I was able to add these services and the API provider we added. And I want you to know that every API provider we added to this website are providers that we see that they offer the cheapest out there. So as you can see, so this is this. And if we go to the VTU provider, this is the VTU provider that we use. It is active, connected, and we set our profits. As you can see that we actually set profits for every of our services based on the percentage we want. You can decide to put in your own percentage and you can set that. So if you check now, you will see that we have this cheap API. So we have cheap data, we set up. This is our API provider. So this is our API URL and this is our API key, and these are just for, we can actually change our API key later. This is just for you to see the tutorial of all these things. Now, data for the VTU services. So you can see the VTU orders, the orders that people have carried out. As you can see now, people that try to, it's going to show fail, maybe they did not have enough fund. And if it shows them failed, they are going to be refunded. Are you getting it now? So it's not that maybe somebody wants to buy anything and they did not get the service, maybe they're going to be debited. No, they're going to be an automatic refund immediately. Even if there is a glitch on the network, they're going to be refunded. That's how I was able to develop this website. So the next thing here is OTP dashboard. As you can see, let me go to our OTP. Since this is where you can sell out virtual numbers. So our API providers has about 153 countries, about 254 products, and offer 347 services. So our API provider offers in dollars, but on your website, on this file, I make sure that once it crawls the service from our API provider, it can convert them to Naira. So the converter is, it gives out real data of the actual currency, actual rate for that day. Are you getting that? So it's something that is, I build it in a way that it will make the work very, very easier for you. No stress at all. So now let's come down and go to the OTP services. You will see that we have all the services. So I added this as a practical. So Afghanistan, now you can see that it offers $0.6, 0.68 cents. That's the price to buy numbers for Airbnb. Let's say you want to sign up for Airbnb, you can buy the number for this. So we set our profit margin to 70%. That's why we are saying 1,591 Naira as our sales on our website. So if anybody wants to buy from us now, automatically they will be seeing this on their dashboard. Are you getting it now? So they can buy for anything. So if you check for WhatsApp, let me click on next. So let's check for WhatsApp. You see that the price of WhatsApp will be kind of different because I believe that is actually in demand. I don't think there's a WhatsApp number for Afghanistan, but we can check for others. So let's say for USA, I think we have numbers for USA. And I click on, yes, I've added USA. Now let me go for their WhatsApp. Can you see? For their WhatsApp, we are selling WhatsApp number for 4,494. We can reduce this so that the price would be kind of affordable for people to buy. Depends. It depends on it. So you can actually set it manually too. As you can see the way I click on it, you can change the price maybe to 3,000. You are still in profit because they are selling for us for about $1.09. That's about, let's say, I think the price is not that much. $1 now is about one 450 in Nigeria. So that's about $2. That's about 2.8 or 2.9. If you sell this for about 4,000, it's still okay. So that is about that. So people can actually buy in numbers, and you can set up profit manually or set up your profit automatically. Depends on how you want to do it. Now you can see the OTP orders here. Now OTP is, you can actually see the orders of how people are buying here. You can see. So it's going to give you a real life data on how your website is working. And the next one here is this is our account provider zone. This is where you're going to see the number of people that are buying virtual accounts. Like maybe they're buying Facebook accounts from you, TikTok accounts from you. Now we have about 1,138 listing. Service that is listed under this one is 1,138. Now, for you to, we are going to test your API here. Now, you can see we have connected API to our site. You can see connection successful. We have connected API to this website. Now, first of all, we are going to synchronize the categories. What is the successful? You synchronize all listing. So that's about that too. Let me scroll down. You can see listing. You can see all the service we render here. So people can buy Reddit accounts. So the provider offer this Reddit account in a very high amount. Are you getting it now? So it all depends. It offers us about, I think, $93,000 or $93,000. So and this one too is $223. Let me see. We have a lot of services here, but it has automatically converts for us to Naira, and that's why you are seeing the amount. Just know that the conversion is actually correct. Maybe it was when it was correct that it was giving us this kind of data, but actually, if you compare to what our API is showing us, so when you check the actual price, you see that it's actually, and you can also set it manually. You can see. I decided to set the manual or deactivate some of these services. Maybe you just want to offer some services on your site. Now, let me see. If you check the categories, you can see that we offer a lot of services here. TikTok accounts, Thread accounts, Telegram accounts, a lot. VPN premium. Let's check the VPN and let's see. You can see we have Astro VPN. Are you getting it now? We have for 2 years, 1 year VPN for 139,000, 74,000. So you can decide to also set your profit based on what you want. So that is about that. We have another one which is task dashboard admin. You can decide to set up task for your users. Maybe you want them to complete a task and get a coin. That's 100 coin. The 100 coin you can decide to make it 100 naira. So once they complete a task, they're going to get 100 coins. So coin to naira, so 100 coin is going to what 100 naira. That means once they complete one task, they get 100 naira. So, or you can make it 10 naira, which is, are you seeing it now? So it depends on how much you charge the person that wants you to promote their task on your website. Are you getting it now? So the next one here is, okay, let me just show you that if you click on this manage task, you can be able to add task. So put the title here, description. In the description, you're going to describe it. Instruction they need to follow. So from here, you can also add the link of what they need to do. Add the link there. So coin reward, you can say, okay, let me call it 20. Are you getting it now? So you can decide to make it active or inactive for now. So that's how it works. And you are going to see the number of people that have submitted. You to be showing here pending. So to be showing everything here. That's about it. So the next one is gift card, manage card. People can actually sell gift card to you. All you have to do is to do what? Click on add gift card. You're going to put maybe let's say you want to start selling, want people to start selling some gift card to you. Steam gift card. Are you getting it now? So this is Steam gift card. You can just type okay that we are buying in bulk. You can just put that here. We are buying in bulk. Now here you can just put the rate of that card per one. per dollar. Let me put it per dollar. So let's say the rate of that particular card per dollar is just 1 2. So the minimum card you are buying per dollar is one, that you're not buying less than $1 of that card. And the highest card you are buying, let's say $5,000 card. I guess, and so you can upload the image of that card. Let me put this one again. You can decide to sort it by priority and make it 3 anyone. Just put any number there and click on save. So automatically it's going to add up to your dashboard, and user can actually see those cards from the front end. Are you getting it now? So that's how this work for the card. And people that are ready to sell their card to you, you'll be seeing very good. You can see that this one's upload. I did this as a practical example. It has shown here. You can decide to, like, once you get their card print, just give it to you just try to redeem the card and look for a way to contact them. Are you getting it now? So you just contact them, like, okay, I've seen your card and it has been approved. So once they observe that the thing has been approved, and another thing is that you can decide to create an admin separately for this. So there's a place you can create an admin separately that this is what the admin will be doing alone to attend to customers on gift card alone, so that there will not be any delay on their cards, like taking for a very long time before they can get their money. I get it now. So that's about that. So once you just credit their wallet, they can decide to place withdrawal on the site. Place withdrawal on the site and you credit them. It's as simple as that. So that's how this website works. As you can see, we have support. Anybody can. So the user can decide to create tickets. They're going to see their ticket here and you can reply them. Another thing is reseller. People that want to become a reseller on your site, they can actually become a reseller. I'm going to fix this. And settings here, as you can see. So you can decide to change the name of the site, change the site email, change phone number, change site description, change the currency. Maybe you don't want this, you can change the currency. You can change location. Minimum deposit from your user, you can change this maybe 1,000. And maximum deposits can be 100,000, and then any amount you want. So that's how these websites work. The payment gateway, as I told you that time, we have 4 payment gateways. The first one is Flutterwave. This one is Paystack. This one is now payment API key. So I think this is USDT payment. You can decide to toggle it off or on. So if you off it, it's not going to show on the user dashboard. So let's assume that you only have, you're only verified for this one. So you can decide to toggle it on so that people can make payment through this and they're going to credit into your wallet. Or you want to bank transfer. So you can decide to choose any of it. So let me show you all now. You can be able to set this up properly. And if you need this file, just check the description of the video. So this kind of website, you need to have a hosting and domain. So for me, I use Namecheap. So you can decide to use any provider of your choice, hosting provider of your choice. So for me, I use Namecheap. So you can decide to use anyone out there because I do not have any affiliate with anybody. So for the purpose of this video now, I'm using this and I have an account with them. I can just go to my dashboard. So once I get to my dashboard, I will come to their hosting. So I have this hosting I want to use here. I go to control panel. So it's going to take me to my control panel dashboard. So from here, I'll scroll down, I'll click on File Manager. I click on File Manager. So I'm going to upload the file. It's a very lightweight file. Very, very lightweight. I click on public_HTML. For you, if you want to upload your own, let it be under public_HTML. But for me, I'm uploading this in a subdomain. So for you, if you are doing this for a client, let it be under public_HTML. So for me, I'm uploading it under ai.socialblitz.com. Now let me just delete this. And if it's not deleting, we can just keep on upload. I click on delete, so that doesn't affect us. Let me click on upload our file. I'll click on select file. Now let me locate our file where it is. So this is our file here. So I'm going to upload it. From there, let me create our database first. Database. From database wizard. So I'm going to call this tutorial. Or let me just call it subscribe. So I call this subscribe. So which means you need to subscribe to this video if you know this video interests you. kindly subscribe to our channel because we offer values and we teach well quality tutorials. Click on next step. So I use subscribe as our database, and this database name is will be our database user. I'm still going to paste that subscribe because I've copied it already. Now for the password, you can decide to click on password generator, as you can see. But for me, I'm not using this. I'll just come here, double tap on this using my mouse, and I will copy the name. Are you getting that? It has already given me a name in a quote. So I've copied it. I'll come here. I'll press Ctrl V to paste, and the same password again. Press Ctrl V to paste. I'll come down here and I'll click on create user, which means we are using just one address like this for our database name, database user, database password, just one. So I'll click on all privileges and I'll click on next step. So we have created our database. Now we need to upload our SQL in our PHP myadmin. So let me type PHP. So it is showing here PHP myadmin. Let me click on it. So it's going to load. Don't forget that we use subscribe. Let me scroll and look for subscribe. So this is it here. Socials subscribe. Let me click on it. So now we're going to upload our database here. Let's go back to what we just uploaded. So once it has shown green 100% like this, once it has shown green, that means it has uploaded successfully. I can just come back here and I'll click on reload. So this is reload here. So this is our file. I'll click on extract file. Like I said, it's a lightweight file and it's not that heavy. Within seconds, it's not even up to a minute, it has uploaded. So this is our file. Let's delete our zip file because we have extract already. Skip it from crash. Delete it. Good. Now we need to look for our database, which is our SQL. Come to your config here. Come to your database. Come to the database. You are going to see schema.sql. Just download it. So I've downloaded it. Now we will come back to here. Don't forget to open. We have opened in our PHP admin. We have opened this. Just click on your database name you created, and you click on imports. But before you import, you see this name that you have copied the other time. Okay, let's copy it again. Just highlight this, and I copy it again. So in the file you downloaded, which is the SQL I just downloaded now, this one. I know I just downloaded the SQL. Open it. You can open it using Notepad, anyone that can use it. Just open it this way. You will see this database name that is showing here. If you check number 8 and 9, it's going to be the same number on your side too. Just replace it. Double tap on one of it. We're going to change this to just replace it. Just copy. Just paste. You can see that it has changed to database name you created. The second one to just paste. And click on what? Save. If you follow this video, you should not do any mistake. Just click on save. File. Open file. Click on file here. Come scroll down. You will see save. Save it. Are you getting? So that by the time you'll be uploading this on our PHP admin, you're not going to be having any issues. Now, if you click on import. So I'm going to import the SQL I just downloaded from our file manager. Click on choose file. This is the one I just changed the database name just now with our database information. I click on this one and I click on import. So it is loading. Very good. You can see that everything is showing green without any error. If you follow that step, good. So what I'm now going to do from here is very simple. Come to your file manager again. Come back to your AI. So this is why I uploaded my own. Come to where you see .env. Right click and edit it. Now here we need to change our database name. This one I copied the other time. /subscribe. Just copy it again. Copy. Since we use the same name for everything, just change it. You come to your DB name. Click on it and press Ctrl V to paste the one we just copied. Or click on the second one, Ctrl V to paste. The third one, Ctrl V to paste. So this one now, we need to change the URL of the site where you uploaded your file, your website, where you uploaded your file. What is the URL? Which is ai.socialbusiness.com. So but for your own, you just have to use your direct domain. if the domain you bought is about maybe smmtemple.com, I get it as an example, just put it there directly. Yeah. But my own is AI because I uploaded it on my own on a subdomain. It's AI. So that's all. So if you have your mail, you can set up your mail and put your mail information here. Google the captures on the site, you can put it there. So what am I going to do? I'll just click on save changes. Save changes. Very good. By the time we go to our browser and we type AI .socialblaze, which is our address where we uploaded our file. So it is showing here already, ai.socialblaze.com. So as you can see here, as I click on enter, it's supposed to show us something very good. It's showing us this. Now by the time we go to our login, let me go to login. So this is our login dashboard. Are you getting it now? Once you get your login, now what are you going to do from here is, now you need to put in you need to create an account. So we need to create an account for the admin. So how are you going to do that? Click on create account. Click on create account. So I'm just going to call this, we can call this administrator for the full name. Username can be admin. Email can be admin@gmail.com. Put in a phone number. So let me use a phone number. The password can also be, use a very strong password because this will serve as your admin. I can just call it admin. So I'm going to copy this one. I'll just call it admin. So if I should come down here, create account, it's going to show me registration successful. You can now log in. But before you log in, come back to your PHP admin here. Come down to under user. I'm coming. So under user, you're going to see the account you just created. Click on this user here, on this user. So we're going to see the account you just created here. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, scroll down a little bit. You will see where you see role enum. You click on user here and turn it to admin. Now scroll down to the footer side and click on go. Automatically, this person, the account you just created will become an admin on the site. And you can say now, become an admin on the site. So let's check what we just did. Now, if you try to click on login now, click on admin. Now let's sign in as admin. So it's going to take us to the admin dashboard directly. Very good. Welcome to the admin dashboard. So before you start anything on the site, you need to carry out some things. That's the migration for the site. So that's why I said you need to follow this video step by step. And one of the reasons why I built this site like this is because of the security features, so that the site will be very secure from hackers. So what are you going to do? Come back to your file manager. So under where you uploaded your file, so come down to configure, come down to database. We uploaded this schema alone. Now, you now need to upload all of these remaining one after the other. All you're going to do is just double click on it. It's going to download, open it. Once it has opened, just press Ctrl A to highlight and Ctrl C to copy. Once you have copied it, close it totally, come back to your PHP admin. So under where you upload your file, which is social, just click on subscribe, the social subscribe there. Click on the SQL. Now, Ctrl V to paste it, what you just copied, and click on go. That is one. Come to the second one. Where is it? Let me quickly go for the second one. Now, this is for the gift card here. Double click on it to download and open it. Now, press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy, and I will still do that here to click here. Now, click on the SQL again. Press Ctrl V to paste and click on go. Very good. Now to the third one, which is this migration. I think the migration should work for everything, but I just like to do it one after the other. So open it again. Open the downloaded one. Press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy. Come back here, click on SQL. Paste it and go. Ctrl V to paste and click on go. So to the next one again, which is OTP. OTP now. Let me double click on it. Open it. So let me just pause the video and just finish it. So we're not going to waste our time on this. For everything. Let me try this one. It doesn't. I've done this again. Let me just try this out. So let me check for this. So let me just do the last one and we'll proceed from here. So very good. Now we have set up this one, as you can see now. If you come back to our website, so as you can see, this is our website. So you can decide to use the very good. You can decide to use our dark mode or light mode. It is there. So what are we going to do from here is very simple. So it is showing that I need to install this VTU mode. You just click here to install. So the VTU is there. So from here now, we can decide to API provider. The API connected to this website for this SMM followers website is we added this what is the name? Real simple. Let me show you. So in case you want to be adding it, so that I don't want it to be too long. I use real simple social. So this is the API provider we added. Real simple social. I'm going to add, I added all these providers in the guide, setup guide. So for in case you want to add it. So that is one. For the VTU, we added for the VTU we added these services. We added this is it. Let me show you. We added ship data up. Are you getting that? We added ship data up is what we added to it. Ship data up is what we added. So in case you want to add it, so just add it to. So we just have to input their business, the ID on it, the ID, the amount. So that's how that one works too. But I've already set up a guide for you. That's number 2. The third service on the site is this OTP dashboard. For the OTP dashboard, we added this one, which is 5SIM. This is 5SIM here. So you don't need to add this manually. Once you input your API key, just synchronize. It's going to crawl out their service for you and set your profit. So that one is very easy to do. So for account zone dashboard, so we added this site there as our API provider. So you can just input your API. So this one too is automatic. Just put your API key and synchronize it. So automatically call their business. And the last one here is the card. I think these ones are just manual. Are you guys saying now? These are just manual. So that's how it works. So if you want me to set up this kind of website for you for just 150,000 naira, you can get this website. But if you need the file, just check the description. You see the file there and you can actually make your purchase. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video because I'll be dropping more videos like this. Thank you so much.